Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching. Whenever you're watching. It is a beautiful day today. The sun is out. The degrees are perfecto. We have a car meet to go to. It's at the Overclockers warehouse. Overclockers meet, it's called. It's looking good. Big turnout to be seen, apparently. So we shall see. It's been a while since I've uploaded on YouTube, and let's just say a lot of things have changed. I think the last video I recorded was the BMW 2 Series problems I encountered or something. That was a long time ago, and things have changed since then. Things have changed. The car's gone, long story short. The car is gone, and I will do a separate video on what happened with that car. So we've got a new set of wheels. Yeah, we're going to head over to that meet. I'm going to hop in the shower, get changed, and then we will be on our way. So yes. But first, I gotta finish this coffee. Ciao. It's the 124 Spider. This is what I am currently driving and what I will be taking to the Overclockers meet this morning. But yeah, this is what we're working with. So yeah, let's hop in and let's head there. Well, what a sunny day it is to be having a nice meet. Nice meet? Yeah, nice meet. I'm thinking of the food for some reason. But yeah, the weather is looking good. It's already showing 20 degrees on the clock and it is 8:44. So we are looking crazy. I did just nip to my local Sainsbury's, and as I was getting out of the car, I saw a nice old Toyota Supra go past, and also I don't know what it was, but it was a Porsche with a big body kit on it, like a massive body kit. I don't know what I was looking at, but that went past as well, and you never see stuff like that in Alsager. So I'm hoping, really am hoping, that it is someone going to the meet. Apparently we're estimating about, I don't know, 200 cars, so hopefully we'll see some interesting stuff. And yeah, I'm heading there right now. We're going to meet a friend that is also in a Spider. And yeah, let's go. So, just had a call. He has arrived. He wants to get a drink, so just a few more minutes of waiting. Yeah, I mean, he called me, and one thing that annoys me about this car, with Apple Play, it's just, I don't know. I think it's because I don't have Bose speakers, that's why. It's just phone calls. Not a great experience in this car. But I think it's all down to because I didn't get the one with the Bose pack, the Bose speakers. Maybe they've got better mics, I don't know. But yeah, we should see him come around the corner very soon. And yeah, let's wait. You can see a wild spider peeking over there. Okay, second spider is acquired. Spiders here now. Got my red one, we've got Jack's black one, and then Anthony has also arrived with a Italian flag inside his car. Missing a Japanese flag as well, but we won't talk about that. It's an Italian roadster. The banner is up for our spiders. The banner is up. There is a massive array of cars here, like all types of cars that you can think of. They're all here. There's a lot to look at. Like when I say a lot, I mean a lot. The venue is looking very, very large. So yeah, I don't know how long it's going to take me to show you guys what's here. I don't think I could be able to cover everything, but yeah, it's wow. That's all I'm going to say. Wow, there's some cracking cars here. Cracking cars. Car of interest, Alpine. That's Jack over there. He's really interested in this car. He wants to purchase one. They are very cool cars. Sure. He's got the owner here as well, who's actually got he's got the original 124 Spider from Fiat, which is interesting. I've never actually seen one in real life. I've seen pictures of it, but maybe we'll try network and get up close to one, because again, never seen one in my life, never. But yeah, Alpine A110 or 110, whatever you call it. Yeah, they are really cool cars. Generally lightweight.
On one side of this car. It's getting in and out.
Side profile, very nice. Very nice. I think these two lights here, I think it's some sort of tribute to the older Alpine. Throw a picture up. I'm pretty sure it is anyway. Also, nice plate as well. I don't know if that's a show plate or not, but that is very well thought of. But yeah, very nice car overall, I'd say. I think I'd own. Yeah, you know what? Yeah, I'd own one. I'd definitely own one. It sounds like bags of fun compared to the Abarth, and these are quite rare in terms of seeing them on the road. Same with the Abarth 124, really. You don't see many, but yeah, definitely a car of interest. Offered to sit inside the Alpine, and wow, I mean, this cabin is actually fairly nice. Like, wow, it's a lot nicer than the Abarth, I'd say. A lot nicer. Let's give you some visuals. So we have the steering wheel here. Very nice sport button here. The cockpit generally, for the car, for how small it looks from outside, it actually is actually fairly spacious in here. Can't see any cup holders, so that would be quite an issue for me. But yeah, nice seats. We've got the Alpine logo here, or Alpine, I don't know if I'm saying it right. And then we've got the infotainment system here. I like the French flags on the side of the door as well. Very nice. But yeah, one thing though, the volume button is here. I don't know how that would work on the road. But yeah, very nice car indeed. I think I'm just like Jack. I'm very sold on it. It's a nice cabin. Yeah.
There's a lot of Nissan in this. Well, there's commonality.
Yeah, Nissan.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're pretty much amalgamated.
Yeah. Yeah, the infotainment centre's straight out of a Nissan.
Yeah.
So the infotainment system is actually out of a Nissan apparently, which is interesting. Oh, my shutter speed is not perfect right now. But yeah, that's the Alpine A110. Beautiful car, beautiful. Got the BMW crew here from Lookers Stoke-on-Trent. and they've brought down a M5, and we all know what this M5 holds. It's the famous V10. Beautiful. These sound gorgeous on the roof. They are a rare piece, definitely a rare piece of kit. A few cars here. We've got a Porsche here, we've got an M2, which is looking beautiful. That's my favourite colour of the M2, I'd say, definitely. i30N, I'm not sure. Is that the coupe version, possibly? That's not looking like a hatchback to me. Yeah, I think it is. i30 or i20, one of them. And we also have this M2. It's very nice. When this first came out, I was actually not a fan of it. I think it's mainly because of the leaks. The ones that was leaked on the internet didn't make the car look so great, but in the flesh, definitely much better looking. So yeah, definitely a fan. The Corvettes, which look absolutely stunning. Can't forget this Mustang here as well, beautiful. But yeah, I'm sold on this black one, whereas this chap behind me prefers the white one. Why do you prefer the white one?
I think the front end looks nicer.
Okay.
I think it's more, for me, nostalgic.
Okay.
However, I can see why the black one a lot more people will probably prefer.
Yeah. I mean, this is the white one, and I will show the rear ends. They are a lot different. Again, I prefer the black one a lot more. But yeah, that's the rear. Again, I don't have much knowledge on these cars, so this is a learning for me. A school classroom. But yeah, nice. I like the black one a lot. It's very cool, I must say. Very cool. But yeah, this is the Corvettes. Beautiful. This one, I know for a fact, sounds beautiful. I've seen an orange one before at a previous meet at Combermere. They sound beautiful. Yeah, very nice car. In fact, I think this whole lineup is the American gang. Seen this one before as well. This one's actually been on the Nürburgring, I'm pretty sure. I've seen some pictures somewhere. I'm certain I have. But yeah, beautiful. We've got some Mustangs here. We've got the Mach 1 Mustang, a very big car of interest. I think the new one is also here actually, yep, in blue. I like the back end of this car. I think it's better than the previous gen, I'm not going to lie to you. Looks beautiful. You've got your GTR here with some incredible builds, as usual with these. It's what you always see with these. God damn, that is a very tidy and clean engine bay. Wow, I like that a lot. Wow, we all know what this is. A cracking car. See what it's like on the rear. Yeah, wow. One of my favourite shapes from Ferrari, 100%. I'd have to get it in the red, of course, but black does look very nice. I love this side badge. I think this one should be called the Dark Horse. That sounds a lot better than the Mustang. Imagine that with Dark Horse on it. That'd be a cool name. We have a F-Type SVR. Very beautiful, very British, of course. Very British. This is when Jaguar could be bothered to release some good cars, I'd say. Because what the hell is going on now? But yeah, beautiful. We've got some information here. What have we got? 1.5 litre supercharged, 575 brake horsepower, all-wheel drive, top speed 200 miles per hour, 0 to 60, 3.5 seconds. Wow, and I'm liking the red colour. Definitely works on this car. Definitely works. Forgot the name of this car, but I know that it is a rare car. Now, when has Vauxhall ever released something like this? When? It's not a Corsa. I mean, I'm pretty sure I watched a video somewhere. The engine of this car is the same that you see in the Vectras and stuff, which is interesting. But yeah, cool car. You certainly don't see these anywhere. Not at all. Yeah, wow. Another dark horse Ferrari. Every black Ferrari that I see, I'm just going to call it a dark horse. But yeah, very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Look at that engine bay. Wow. A lineup here of a Urus, McLaren Mustang, Aston Martin Vantage. Very, very nice cars indeed. Let's move on. Wow, look at this. Look at this for a car. Wow. There's I think we've got some decal here to resemble the rotary, of course. Wow. A lot of modifications have gone into this car, clearly. What's that revving over there? But yeah, wow. MX-5, of course, our long-lost cousins. I think these, I don't know if this is the first gen. Yeah, this is the first generation, right? Pretty sure. Correct me if I am wrong. But yeah, these are a lot smaller than the 124 Spiders. A lot smaller. Wow, they are tiny cars. Now that is a good-looking Porsche right there. As we've just walked around from the Alpine, we've had a TVR turn up, Subaru, and a beautiful Porsche. Wow. Yeah, I mean, the atmosphere here is perfect. I mean, so many different cars to see, so many different people, so many different people. Is my grammar correct there? Different types of people from every single car community. We've got the BMWs, we've got the Jags, we've got the Peugeots, the Porsches, the Abarths, of course. Yeah, there's so much. Very clean 1 series. I used to be obsessed with these cars when I had my 2 Series. I was so obsessed. Mainly because of the not the M1, the 1N. I really liked the history of that. Yeah, very cool car. Well, last time I was on the Nürburgring, I got absolutely railed by one of these. It's a GR Yaris. Here's the interior. Wow. Oh, speaking of the Nürburgring, we've got a badge here, Nürburgring. But yeah, these are absolute killers on the rink. They perform very well. Absolutely very well. But yeah, cool car. to our little spider hut here. Loving the banner at the back. We've got the flags. We've got Jack and Anthony in the back there. But yeah, we've got the 3-man crew. There would have been a 4th, but he didn't come, unfortunately. Maybe he got held up somewhere. We've got a small Miata here. I mean, just look at the size. Look at the size comparison. Wow. Skoda from Barlow Motors in Stoke have turned up.
He's a family man.
Discover Skoda. I am Octavia. Love Skoda, they're very, very funky. Very funky indeed. You've got your Escorts here. Very beautiful spec. Very beautiful. We've got it. 2, not 1, 2 DeLoreans with the butterfly doors. Loving that. Ford Capri. I mean, look at that compared to the new one, which is a SUV. Interesting. I would love to drive one of these. I'm sure they are bags of fun. However, my hairline would definitely get exposed in this cabin, driving with no roof and no windows on the side. Nice catering, very nice. Porsche GT3 RS, looking beautiful in green. Very nice. Golden alloys here.
No, it's okay. No, the Instagram story.
Very beautiful. Now, this caught my eye when driving in. Lamborghini Huracan Performante. Very, very nice car. Very nice. I think, oh my god, look at the carbon fibre. It's what's the word for it again? Oh my god, what's the word? What is the word? I forgot. I sound like an idiot right now. I can't speak. Can't speak at all. Yeah, very nice. This white one, STO, very beautiful as well. Very beautiful. Got some cars leaving now. Got a M3 on its way. And we've also got the Aston Martin Vantage. Also on its way out in front of the police. There's
He did something like that, didn't he?
no foot to the floor here. This is the organisers M3, which is in a very nice colour. Very nice. I'm sure these are fun and nostalgic to drive. They must be. McLaren 600 LT, beautiful. This is also the organisers' vehicle. What are they advertising here? Ultimate Driving Holidays. Sounds fun. Northern Balkans, Portugal, Italian lakes. Yeah. Beautiful. Yeah. Got an aerial here, aerialmotor.co.uk. They are about to leave. That's a very cool car. Very nice. Very nice. We've got the police with their lights. We also have, speaking of police, we also have got an interesting police car here, which I caught coming in. I remember seeing these on like series that I used to watch when I was younger. I mean, they might have been on the road then, I'm not sure, because they do look very familiar. But yeah, that's an interesting police car. Wow. Very interesting indeed. I can actually hear the sirens going around. I don't know if the mic can pick that up. They are quite loud. Very loud. first edition signs. So it's okay, it's okay. It's, coppers have got interest in it as well. They were gonna have a nice photo with it. But yeah, wow. Someone has copped a PC. I'll show you the inside. Oh, actually, people are copping quite a lot of things. But yeah, I'll show you the inside. There's some cool things. Also, we've got the chairs that are being showcased. That one in particular, I actually quite like. Mercedes Formula 1 team from Noble chairs. Very cool. But, yeah, Fallout 4. Well, Fallout, sorry. Yeah, let's go upstairs. Let's see what is going on. Some outside views. It's certainly starting to fill up. Hey, you okay? Yeah, here we are, the world of sim racing. A lot going on here. Update on the challenge. Still 126.370. I think that was the one from before. It might have been. I'm not sure. It was definitely 1 minute 26 seconds. Yeah, beautiful. Some PCs on showcase here as well. Fanatec, definitely a fan of their tech. You can also fill out a quote here for your dream simulator setup. Yeah, a lot of expensive but good quality gear. Got the F1 rig here, which is very cool. And then here we are cruising on Forza, brand new one I think in Japan. You can see that through here as well. Yeah, very cool. Got a full setup down.
So I mean, each of these have got various different spec systems with them, depending on sort of how many screens they've got, or kind of what simulators we're.
Anthony, you're in a Ferrari, not a Citroen.
No, I'm not. Like a storm mode, isn't it? So, like when you run the game, you put it in storm mode, so every time it just resets to.
One addition is a Hot Wheels stand. We have cars from A to Z. So much. I mean, no spiders, unfortunately. We did ask, but yeah, I'm sure there is a lot more cars. We've got the BMW 8 Series. Yeah, a lot of Hot Wheels. Oh, collectibles, just overheard. Yeah, beautiful. Call me crazy. If this was not an electric car, perfect daily. I like them. They look so cool. They are so cool. Generally, like, I would go for it. I would definitely go for one. When I was in the south of France, I saw one in the same colour as that A110. And it really caught my attention. I don't know why I like them. But I like them. They're cool. But electric, yeah, we know. We have our opinions on electric cars, don't we? So yeah, not for us. If it isn't, our long lost cousin, the Miata. I don't know what you're talking about. Nothing about the Abarth has any Mazda in it. Jokes. Maybe it does. My family members actually owns a BYD Seal. Don't know much about them, but yeah, they're becoming quite popular at the moment. They are literally everywhere. I mean, there's the interior inside here. It's interesting. These are daily cars. I mean, they're everywhere. They really are everywhere. I mean, yeah, you noticed that as well? Wow. It's been lowered, and I will have to admit it actually generally looks very cool, the Honda E. It's, that is clean. That is a very clean car. Of course, we've got the Shelby. Very cool as well. This is also the organizer's Mustang, and I think he's actually got it for sale. Let's see. Yes, he does. So it's a 2008 Shelby, of course. 29,000 miles, pushing 30k. Only one previous owner. 36,950 British pounds. Would you buy it? Would you? Of course, we got some foods here. We got authentic Napoleon pizza. We've got the GG Nosh box. I don't know what that is. And then I think we've got some coffee stand there in the corner. Also some donuts. You want some donuts? I don't want some donuts. Sorry. We've got a Ram. New Mustang. Looking beautiful. There's a gorgeous. There we go, off it pops. Well, that is loud. That is certainly a very loud car. The Mustang crew making their exit. That was the Mach 1 that we spoke about earlier. Hey. We've got a Golf Cabriolet. So it's looking like it's a bit of drips and drabs of people leaving and coming. So I think I am going to wrap it here at Overclockers. Again, there's still loads of cars. I mean, let me just flip it around. There's still loads to check out. I mean, the scale, there's our spiders over there. The scale of this meet was not some of that I expected it to be. I thought it was going to be a lot bigger. Sorry, a lot smaller. But no, generally turnout is amazing. Yeah, a lot of cars. But yeah, I'm going to wrap it up here. It's hope you enjoyed looking at all the cars. Please correct my knowledge, because I know my knowledge today has been very limited on all of these vehicles. But yeah, cheers guys, and catch you next time.